Okay, let's move forward.
Kalayaan.
Here,
Kalayaan.
we have the freshwater or Philippine crocodile. They're about 5 to 7 years old on feet. Sabi rin po nila mga Pinoy-sized crocodile dahil maliliit po sila. So hindi pa po yan yung adult size ng freshwater. Later makikita din po natin. Freshwater po natin, yes po. Yung freshwater po natin, sila po yung critically endangered. So the usually 8 feet. Siya na po yung
Pinay.
malaking freshwater na nandito ngayon. Wala po.
Pinay.
So hindi rin po tayo nagpa-crossbreed dito ng saltwater and freshwater because kakainin lang po ng saltwater yung freshwater. Aggressive po masyado yung saltwater.
Gising
That's
na
the
siya.
difference between the two species here in the Philippines. Lagi lang po natin tandaan. Just remember, the light color is the fresh water. The less